All right, Math in the Real World, episode number 10. It's been a while, but I'm finally ready to fill up my gas in my car. Fill up my car with gas. Let's go with that. And so I wanted to show you how you can easily calculate miles per gallon if you don't have a fancy car that tells you that already. So here we go. I need to switch my numbers here to see how many miles I traveled in the last tank of gas, and it's 288.8 or 288 and 8/10 miles for my tank of gas. So think about what the rate would be. It'd be miles per gallon. So I'm going to take this number right here and I'm going to divide it by this number right here. And it's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so according to my calculations, I average about 15 miles per gallon with my tank of gas. Now, some things to keep in mind with my gas mileage of my vehicle. I usually range anywhere from 18 to 20, but in the hot season of the summer, and I have two little kids, I like to cool down the car before we get into it. Not just that, but if we're sitting in a vehicle, you know, my wife's in Walmart and I'm in the vehicle with the girls, I'm gonna let it run. So that diminishes our gas mileage. That's not as good of gas mileage during this time of the season. And then the other thing to consider is, am I doing highway driving or in-town driving? And a lot of that mileage here recently has been in town, back and forth between school and different things. So that'll make the gas mileage not as good either when I'm doing a lot of start and stopping and not going as fast on a consistent basis as if I was on the highway or the interstate. One last thing to show you is really cool, but that arrow tells you which side your gas tank is on. So if you're pulling up and you're like me and you can't remember which side you're on because you're in a different vehicle, just look at the arrow, and so my gas tank's on my left side, so I know where to pull into the gas station. All right, thanks for watching. Sorry I'm wearing a cutoff t-shirt. I'll spare you from my lack of tanning. See you next time.